Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Class of 2018 graduation. Welcome, Ms. Rita Dove, President McCartney, members of the Board of Trustees, administration. Welcome, Ms. Rita Dove, President McCartney, members of the Board of Trustees, administration, families who have come from all over the country and all over the world, friends, and last but not least, you students. This is the 140th commencement. Seniors, this is your day. And it's a special one, not because of anything particular, except that we're inside for the first time in 15 years. So I want to talk to you all today about time, because I seriously do not know where it's gone. We just had an awesome week without assignments, without deadlines, and without needing to wake up early. But it feels like just yesterday that we were looking forward to our summers between each school year, looking forward to our first day of classes, and yet here we are at the final stage of it all. I can't speak for each one of you, but for me, this passage of time has been such a blur, going by almost as fast as reading period does. But blurs don't make for good commencement speeches. So I'd like to remember some of what we have experienced together. It all started at President McCartney's welcome address, my first year. During the address, I felt so emotional that I started to cry. I put my head on my dad's shoulder so that no one would see me. But behind us, a Smith College photographer with a good eye for capturing complicated emotions in a single image took a picture and posted it on Facebook with the caption, "As orientation for parents draws to a close, here's a shout out to all the families who've been there for our new students over the years. Thanks for all you've done." And the caption seemed so celebratory, but to me, it didn't completely match my mixed feelings, my "oh my God, what am I doing here" thoughts. Most of you were also in this crowd, sitting with your families or new friends. Perhaps you felt like you belonged, but perhaps you were questioning whether you made the right decision. And also perhaps, maybe you were just worried that you would be asked about Whistling Vivaldi, the book we were supposed to read over the summer. And then came our next year, second year. The year that Smith rose in U.S. News and World Report's annual National Liberal Arts College rankings, moving from 18th to 14th in the country. And this was mostly due to our improvements in faculty resources, selectivity, and reputation. And it was so great to hear that more high school students were considering Smith.